welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and today is Smart Art Day. Smart Art is a monthly art subscription box that sends you premium art supplies. The art supplies are meant to create a whole project. In fact, they have weekly challenges, so they are meant to be enjoyed all month long. Super excited. This is the July Smart Art. Let's see what's inside. Like always, their beautiful artwork and orange paper, handy dandy flyer that will tell us all about the products inside, as well as have some sample projects for us. We'll take a look in a minute. And looks like this month is all about drawing. We have a Derwent graphic pencil set. Looks like a set of 6, 2H, HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, and 8B. That's a nice selection. Let's see what's inside. So there you go. In addition to that, we have, here's the very cute artwork this month. I really like that. We have tinted charcoal. So these are colored charcoal pencils. Very nice. I like these. Different colors, yellow, gray, it's either blue or black, green, brown, and another gray. So super cool. We will swatch that in a minute. Lenox cotton paper, 15 sheets, 250 GSM, 100% cotton. So very nice there. We have a little charm pop in apple, some blending stuffs, there we go, a set of Spectrum Noir art liners, 005, 05, and 08, as well as a Faber-Castell kneaded eraser. So very nice selection this month. I mean, I have pencils, but always good to have more. This, however, I'm super excited for. So let's stay tuned. Let's swatch. I always forget. So before we swatch this, this is their little flyer. It has history, so it tells you all about their presenting charcoal with the Derwent tinted charcoal pencils. Tells you a little bit of history about it. These are the colors, which are super cool. That was blue, so Ocean Deep. We've got burnt orange, forest pine, ocean deep, peat, lavender, and natural. Oh, so I guess natural is black. Okay. A charcoal pencils set of 6 retails for $17.99. The Derwent graphic pencils tin with 6 retails for $12.39. The Royal Langnickel blending stump 3-piece retails for $2.49. Sorry. The cotton pad, Legion Lenox cotton pad 5x7 retails for $12.55. Spectrum Noir art liners 3-pack retails for $8.95, and the eraser retails for 76 cents. This is the suggested project, just a little bit how to get used to the supplies. You could be drawing a really pretty eyeball, which I will probably do. So I enjoy drawing eyeballs. And then as a harder project, we're going to do a portrait. They suggest doing a portrait. And then the monthly or weekly prompts are mood, picnic, share, and sizzling. So it has a bunch of project pointers. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe, because I am going to be doing a giveaway for 1,000 subscribers, and some of the items in some of these boxes may show up. So stay tuned for that, but also in the meantime, make sure you're subscribed. Let's swatch and create.